So we are doing cafe hopping today in the evening, and this is how it looks. The name is, you can read, Hope Cafe. The entrance looks like this. This is in White Town. You can see the name, and this is the cafe. The name is Hope Cafe in Pondicherry. Nice graffiti. We can call it graffiti. So this looks like my wife searching my soul in other dimension, and here she is. Very identical. So guys, this is cheese garlic bread at Hope Cafe. So now it's time to explore another cafe in Pondicherry. Let's go. So guys, this is Writer's Cafe, and we will go inside and taste some its food product. Let's see how it tastes. So we will go inside, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll show you one thing. It's a tissue paper.
Oh, so you can write.
You can write on it. This cafe is known as Writer's Cafe.
You can explain. So she is my wife. She is she is a PhD research scholar in philosophy, about to be
छोटा मोटा research scholar.
about to be doctor.
About to be. Time है अभी.
She will get doctor degree in PhD. So now she will explain the picture.
So if you can see, the first picture is of Mark Twain. Then you will find Edgar Allan Poe. Then Shakespeare. Then Martin Luther King. And then finally Agatha Christie.
Oh, that is Agatha Christie.
This is my husband. always taking videos, but nobody takes videos
This
of
is
him.
मजनू भाई का पेंटिंग.
मजनू भाई का पेंटिंग. यहाँ पे भी बहुत सारा इंटेलेक्ट है. Let's show them. Caramel eclair. This one.
So this is caramel
Eclair.
eclair,
Eclair.
and this
And
is
this is, I have asked the chef so that I pronounce it correctly. It is lemon meringue tart.
okay. So is it Indian, French, or
I don't know from where it belongs, but this is not Indian.
okay?
that
This
I
is
know.
food we eat.
Yeah. I think this is French. This
This
one
is-
I am not sure.
But by the sound of that name, it sounds like some foreign origin.
And this is just lemonade. One more thing I want to add. The chef has specifically told me that this white colored things, you can show it closer. This one. This is actually egg whites.
Okay.
Okay. And the base is lemon.
So So this is all from Writers Cafe. Now we are going to explore another cafe in Pondicherry. Don't go anywhere, stay tuned.
There is a cafe back there. Name is Aura Cafe. Let's go inside and order some gelato. उधर केक्स भी है. One scoop gelato is 160 rupees. We'll check the flavor and then come back and order. Bhaiya, ये French vanilla gelato one so good. Come.
So guys, since we have experienced this Aura Cafe at Rock Beach, now it's time to explore another cafe in Pondicherry. Till then, keep watching and please subscribe our channel. So right now I am at a cafe and its name is Cafe Ole. और ये कैफ़े ओले जो है पिछली बार मैं आया था 2019 में, तो इस पे आया था इस शॉप पे और ये चीज़ याद थी मुझे, तो फिर से आने का मन हुआ. एंड टुडे द वेदर इज़ लाइक इट्स रेनिंग राइट नाउ, सो हमने डिसाइड किया कि यार चल ही लेते हैं. तो जैसे तैसे हम मतलब बारिश में थोड़ा भीग के ऑटो ले करके आए. तो चलिए आपको कैफ़े ओले को एक्सप्लोर करते हुए दिखाते हैं. ये नहीं मेरी वाइफ जो कैफ़े लवर है. So we are doing cafe hopping in Pondicherry and this is how Cafe Ole looks. The word coffee is written in different languages, so if you can closely look, so this one I know, this is cafe in Chinese, since I am a Chinese language expert. Kahwa, cafe, coffee, Hindi. So this is very aesthetic. I am liking it because I am a language expert. So it is in different languages. The coffee word is written. ordered?
Hi guys, so we are in Cafe Ole and I have ordered 2 desserts. One is MasterChef chocolate cake and this one is French chocolate croissant. They smells delicious, so I think it will taste great also. This is white penne pasta. It has lots of cheese in it, very tasty.
Okay,
This is MasterChef chocolate cake.
you have already explained.
This is croissant. It's raining outside. I have also ordered coffee, so it will, this combination, the rain, coffee and everything, it will be heavenly, I think.
Oh, really?
Let's indulge. Let's indulge in some calories.
Okay, let's go. So guys, our cafe hopping in Pondicherry is done. In next video, I will show you how to go to Paradise Beach. To know more about it, please subscribe our channel. Till then, keep watching.